welcome back to another advent calendar unboxing. I have for you guys such a treat today. I found the Target 12 Days of Beauty. This one is not even online yet. I have been stalking the internet trying to see any hints of this new calendar this year, and there's been nothing. My store just happened to put out a small end cap and I was like, I'm taking it. I didn't even hear anything about this one being in stores yet, so I'm so freaking excited. This is way earlier than they had them out last year, so we need to dive into this immediately to see what's inside. So here's a little bit of a close-up of the calendar. We have also just this random sleeve we gotta take off that just says the 12 Days of Beauty. This was $20, by the way, which is what it is every year, so love the consistency. And it does say on the packaging here that the value is supposed to be $66. So we're gonna keep that in mind. And there's 12 days to go through, so let's get started with day number 1. And that is gonna be, oh, right here with a giant 1 on there. What do we got? What do we got? I feel like I might break a nail in this one. Okay, this is a good one. This is the Collab Original Dry Shampoo. This is definitely a travel size because it's just got 1 ounce of product in here, but this is actually a really good dry shampoo. I have used them in the past. But yeah, works great, smells good, really helps to take away the oils. Just had to give a little bit of spritz to the roots, just in case, you never know. On to number 2 now. What do we have here? Ooh, I know what this one is. This is the NYX Makeup Setting Spray Mini, the matte version. You guys have no idea how many times I've actually repurchased this setting spray. It is so good. I personally love it because I do have a very oily complexion, so the matte one is my personal favorite, especially if I'm reapplying during the day. I don't want anything to add extra oils to me, so this is fabulous. So I do get excited about this one. So far, they're doing pretty good. Let's keep it going though and see what we got for day number 3. Oh, right in here. Man, this cardboard is a lot tougher than the Sephora one, that's for sure. And this one is something different. I can't recognize what it is, but it's a little gold item. This has to be the smallest eyebrow pencil ever. This is the Winky Lux Unibrow Mini Precision Brow Pencil. And they say that the shade is universal, but it looks like kind of like a taupey brown to me. That is typically what they gravitate towards calling like the universal brow. I mean, you guys know if you've seen any of my advent calendars in the past, I'm not particularly a big fan of putting brow products like this inside of the advent calendars because I feel like the universal ones are never really universal. But you know, that's just my opinion on the matter. It is a cool little product though, but it's just something to kind of keep in mind when purchasing the calendar, who you're purchasing it for, and if this will particularly work for them. On to number 4 now. Let's see, I just saw that one. Right here. What do we got? What do we got? Oh. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. It's for the hair, so it's supposed to give you 10 benefits in one bottle. It's supposed to strengthen, heat protect, reduce frizz, detangle, soften, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and gives a UV protection. I love that this is like a one-stop shop for everything on that list there. Makes it so much easier to use. On to item number 5. This is not going as smooth as I hoped. Ooh, we got a little lip product here. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine. How freaking pretty is that? It's a little like heart in the middle. Oh, I wish that could just stay like that. That's so cute. But I gotta ruin it. But this is in the shade Cherry. Let's plop it on. What a cute little shade. And why does this smell so good? Why does it kind of remind me like a Lip Smuckers, or like, maybe not a Smuckers, but one of those like old school kind of glosses that had that really fruity, like sweet scent. That scent, that takes me back. Right, that was 5. On to 6. have even more e.l.f. Aha! So it looks like we got our second full-size item here, also by e.l.f. This is their Putty Blush. It's in the shade Bahamas. That actually looks kind of like that lipstick right now. Hold on. Let me bring it back. Okay, so it's like the similar kind of tones we're going for here. This is actually really cool. I didn't even know that they had putty blushes. And I mean, you could do like a whole monochromatic moment with the blush and the lip color. That'd be cute. Let me take off this 6 door. And let's grab item number 7 now. What do you got for us? Oh, even more e.l.f. Hello, hello. So now we got ourselves the e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo. It's a blush and highlighter duo called Spiced Apple. Oh, those are very pretty shades. Honestly, I'm very excited about these products because I do love me some e.l.f. And the fact that we're getting the actual full size of these items, I love it even more. I mean, e.l.f. is already very affordable, so it's definitely very smart of them to be putting them inside of this 12-day calendar. I can't wait to see what else we get inside of here because we are only on, I think that was 7? Yeah, that was 7. So we needed a number 8. So let's grab that one. Makeup eraser? Are you serious? This is awesome. So this is the Makeup Eraser Mini. I mean, can we just say Sephora take notes? This is a $20 calendar and they're putting makeup eraser in here? I love to see this. This is great and it's so cute. It's so much smaller than the original size. The original is like super long, so this one is a perfect one for like the eye area if you just need something a little bit tiny. Awesome little item here. Target girl, you are doing it. You are doing it with this calendar this year. I'm so excited by it. All right, let's see. Number 9. What do we got in this day? Another bottle? Hold on, it's turned around so I have no clue what it is. Tresemme. Okay, so we got a little hair product now. This is the Tresemme Extra Hold Non-Aerosol Hairspray. Love to see that they are in an actual spray bottle now. I mean, those aerosol sprays are so bad for the environment. I actually haven't used their hairspray in forever. Let's go for number 10 now. Oh, I really punched that one. We got a little sponge. For day number 10 now, we have the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. This particular sponge right here is not my favorite. I actually don't really like to use this one, so I'm gonna save her in her packaging. It's just a very rubbery kind of sponge, and I used to love it before I realized that there were so many other great options at the drugstore. I prefer my Wet n Wilds, my e.l.f. Beauties. You know, that's just my personal preference. Let's rip off the 10 door. Took the whole thing with me. On to number 11 now. We are almost at the end of this box. We got a little vitamin. You get 2 inside of this. Oh, this is funny. It is the Ollie Undeniable Beauty. It's their hair, skin, and nails vitamin that has the biotin, creatine, vitamin C, and E. It's so funny because it just has 2 in there. I can feel them. Take 2 gummies daily. Oh, so it's literally just for like 1 day. Ooh, but now last day, number 12. What are we gonna wrap it up on? Let's see, let's see. Looks like a little Pixie. Let's pull it out. Ended up getting the Pixie Endless Silky Waterproof Eye Pencil. She's in the shade Black Noir. I decided to go diving into my collection down below to see if I had this one because I do have a couple Pixie pens, but I don't have this shade. I just have Bronze Beam and Black Caviar. I'm pretty sure that these are kind of like more chromy metallic eye pencils, whereas this one is a flat black. But I am gonna actually save this one in its packaging and not open it up and swatch it because I don't actually wear a whole lot of black eyeliner pencils. So they don't really get a whole lot of use by me, so I just don't want to open it up and just have it go to waste. So I want to give this one away. So just to show you guys just how smooth these pencils are, I'm just gonna go like this with the Black Noir one. I mean, just look at that. That thing is so creamy. It is honestly a really great eye pencil if you do like pencil formulas because it's so soft and just glides. It's not rough at all. I just, again, I don't really wear them, so I'm gonna save it. But what I just realized too is that with this eye pencil, it's actually a mystery what you're gonna get inside of the box. They have a bunch of different options that you could get. So this Black Noir is one of them. You could also get Pure 24K, Very Berry, Brightening Lilac. That would have been a fun one. Deep Plum, Black Blue, and Black Cocoa. And it also actually looks like for the e.l.f. lip one over here, there was the shade Cherry that I got, and there is also the shade Giddy. Couple different color situations there. That makes it so much more fun that there is a little bit of variety in the calendar. I love to see that. Target, you did your thing with this calendar here. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with this. Honestly, this was $20, you guys. 100 times recommend this one over the other calendars that I have unboxed, not to name any names, but you guys know they did amazing with this calendar here. I'm also really curious as to the value. I know that they said $66 on the box. I just kind of want to confirm it. Let me see what I can add it up to super fast. Okay, so I am definitely very close to their value. I ended up being able to add up to $56.37. That is all of the items except for these three added up, because these ones I could not find on their website for any kind of value, so I'm assuming that we probably hit the $66 mark with these ones added up, because actually everything else is sizes that are for sale at Target. So you could actually get prices for things, you could buy them in store. I really love to see that because it's not just like some random sample item. Yes, they are still travel sizes, but it's actually sizes that are, you know, for purchase. It's not a mini of a mini is what I'm trying to say, you know? So I mean, overall, 10 out of 10. Target knocked it out of the park. If you happen to come across this in your Target, definitely I would recommend picking one of these up because I personally really love this. I'm so excited we got ourselves a really good calendar right away. This is only the second unboxing of the Advent Calendar series. I definitely have a whole bunch more coming your guys' way, so definitely please let me know if there's any calendars that you want to see me unbox this year. I will try my best to get my hands on them. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!